all over the world who are concerned about the democracy and the human rights to support us. I hope that people like you, Taiwanese people, will support Uyghurs, the people, the weak people like us. And also, I'm very thankful that you supported us and you kind of concerned our situation. Thank you.
Ve izilgen barlık milletlerge yardım kılışınlarını ümit kılıman. Cumhur halkının mı, bütün Cumhur halkının vakıflar ve demokrasiyaga erişini ümit kılıman.
And also, I hope that I hope the Taiwan people to help people like suppressive people like us. And also, I hope that the people of Taiwan.
等一下，我们全部一起翻译给大家听，好不好？好，让他全部讲。Can we stop a moment because we want to translate? Okay?
Okay.